Hey guys, welcome back to Fixing It. I'm in the back of my 2010 Honda Pilot, and today I found out something about this car that I never knew. I own this car since 2010, 15 years already, and I never knew there's some kind of grill, some kind of mesh filter, something I had to clean under here to help the airflow of these rear vents. The blower motor for these rear vents is right under here, and apparently there's something you need to clean, because if that gets clogged up, then you have poor airflow coming out of the back of these vents. You already know about the cabin air filter that's behind the glove box. If you don't know how to change it, I'm gonna put a link right up here to show you how to do it, okay? But right now, to do this, you need to remove a kick panel right in the front here, and then you're able to get to the blower motor and access to whatever this grill is, or mesh, or whatever the heck it is. I'm expecting it after 15 years to be pretty dirty. I'm not necessarily clogged up, because I still get decent airflow out of here. But let's see. It's going to be the first time you and I are going to see it, so let's do this. All right, guys, get yourself a trim tool like this one, but we're going to start by moving the seat all the way back. And now we're gonna take off this. So try to grab it from up here. Just pull it. Let me move this carpet out of the way. There you go. And now you should be able to. There you go. And maybe try to stick this in here. There you go. Just keep working it like that. There you go. Okay. Now you should be able to. There you go. Pull this whole thing out somehow. Might be another. Nope, that's enough. So let's see. What's this stuck on? Oh, there you go. Let me just move this carpet out of the way. There you go. What's it stuck on? All right, hold on. It's pretty long. There you go. All right, that's what it looks like. Now, you can see what it looks like under there. And let's see. I better get a light and show you. All right, we got some light. Let's see what it looks like under here. And there it is. This is the blower motor. And this is what they're talking about. It's like some nasty stuff on here. Hold on. You need to, get a brush or something. It's like a metal mesh. See that? Get yourself a vacuum or something to clean that off. See how that's completely covered? That's definitely not helping matters. It's kind of hard to get in there because of this, but I'm gonna try to get a brush or something to try to clean that. All right, guys, I got this brush. I'm just gonna brush all this stuff off. It's hard to get a vacuum in there. Let's see. See all this stuff on here. I'm just gonna try to get as much as possible and then try to get a vacuum in there. There's tight quarters in here, so. All right, I got some of the junk out of there. The rest kind of fell in there. But you can see. Let me get a vacuum in there and see if I can vacuum. All right, let's see what this looks like. And as you can see, it's much better. If you want, you could take out this bottom screws and the one on top there and take out the whole mesh and clean it that way. It probably wouldn't be a bad idea, but this is good enough for me. So that's the way it stays. All right, this thing is just gonna put it back in. I need to bend it to kind of get it in there. There you go. And once you get it in place, it's just gonna snap in place. Okay. Same thing over here. Make sure it's in right over here. I'm gonna have to get it in there, and then this has to go under like that. Get in there. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but anyway, get it in there and then you can just snap everything in place. All right, that's all back together under there. And let's start it up and see what the airflow feels like back there. Looks like pretty good airflow to me. So if you happen to have low airflow out of these back vents, just clean that grill and hopefully that'll help you out. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.